Welcome back to another tech tip video. Today we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked but is crucial for business success. And that is the reports that you should expect from your IT provider. First up is backup reporting. These reports detail what devices are being backed up and if they have been successfully tested and complete, as well as how often this is done. Next up are asset managed reports. These tell you how many computers you have in place, what their age is, who is working on these computers, and how many other devices your provider manages for you. Next is security reporting. A must in today's digital landscape. It's often difficult to cut out all the technicalities of these reports, so some may come off as a little intimidating. However, if your provider simplifies the important parts into green for what's working or red for what isn't working, you should be in good shape. Last are service ticket reports. This report tells you how many service tickets your IT team has completed each month. If it interests you, you can request that your provider send it to you or provide you with access to the client portal for easy access to this. We hope this video has given you a better idea of the reporting that you should be receiving from your managed service provider or IT partner. If you have any questions, make sure to reach out.